How to send money on Chase. So if you would like to send money from the Chase Bank app, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Chase Bank mobile application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into our account, because we want to go ahead and then basically send money, we will just go to this option called payments from the bottom center. Once you come to the payment section, here you can see pay in your accounts or pay. So you can add a new pay right here by tapping the plus new button right there. You can see before you continue, if this pay claimed to be from an organization you trust, pressured you to pay, or ask for a payment you weren't expecting, then your money could be at risk. So you want to make sure that it's not a scam person, but you can just select I trust this payee and agree, and then enter the information and wire them the money. And this way you'll be able to send money from Chase. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.